My hair was stuck at one length for years, and nothing I did helped me retain length. But look how far we came. My name is Malia, and welcome to my channel. Aloe vera is one of my secrets for massive, extreme hair growth and length retention. Let me show you how I use it. So as you saw, the first step is to cut the sharp sides off of the aloe. Then slice a generous part of the aloe off. Then go ahead and slice it again to reveal the gel on the inside. You can apply aloe vera directly to your hair. I put it on my hair whether my hair is wet or dry, but I find that damp hair works best. Ensure that you coat your scalp as well, and coat your hair from the roots down to the ends. If you have itchy scalp, being consistent with aloe vera will give you that relief that you're looking for, and it will help the condition overall because aloe vera does have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Aloe also helps with split ends, which is why I said make sure you coat your ends as well. You should use aloe vera every wash day. Use it as a pre-poo or a hair mask before you wash your hair for extreme hair growth. Personally, I use it every 1 to 2 weeks whenever I go to wash my hair. Gently detangle and work through your hair. You can also finger detangle or use whatever detangling comb you would like. In another video, I'll show you all my detangling brush that I just absolutely love. I use that 99% of the time. So in this video, I neglected my hair all week. I kept brushing it back with gel and putting it in a low bun, hence why my hair is so dry and detangled in this video. It's best to avoid getting your hair to this state, but we all know life gets busy, and that's why you use the aloe vera to minimize that hair loss on wash day, okay? You can find aloe vera in a Walmart near you. Like I said, my hair was stuck at one length for years, and sometimes I'm still in shock that it actually grew or that I'm actually retaining my length. Even since I recorded this video, I've seen massive hair growth. It's just so unbelievable to me every time I do that stretch test. I do believe a few of the things I've done has helped my hair grow. So let me know in the comments if you would like another video with me detailing everything I do, including the products I recommend. Let me know down in the comments. I do use aloe vera as a pre-poo and a detangler. The shine that aloe gives might be the best part for me, honestly. I just love seeing my natural hair color pop once I apply this aloe to my hair. So after detangling, I twist my hair so that I can leave the aloe vera in my hair for hours. The juiciness of my curls, I just love it so much. I feel like you can immediately see the benefits of aloe when you use it, especially if you apply it in sections, because one section is dry and dull, and then the other section where the aloe is applied is vibrant. Your hair is hydrated, it's so soft, it's so beautiful, so moisturized and happy. I cannot say if aloe vera necessarily thickens the hair, since I believe that's more genetic, but it does strengthen the strands of your hair follicles. Aloe does make your hair stronger. Aloe vera also grows your edges. I always apply to my edges, and I lay my edges when I'm doing an aloe vera hair mask, just because I don't want to walk around the house looking crazy, or if I decide to leave the aloe in, my edges are done, and then I'll just loose out the twist and have it in a style like that. So this is also important, y'all. Make sure you take your vitamins. Take that biotin, take that fish oil, that omega-3, that cod liver oil, whatever you want to take, because hair grows from the scalp. And anything you do on the outside, you're doing to retain your length. So your hair is growing 9 times out of 10, but you need to work on that length retention. But like I said, for hair growth, we have to focus on the inside just as much as we focus on the outside, okay? So you can leave aloe vera on your hair without washing it out. I let aloe vera sit on my hair anywhere from 1 to 8 hours, and sometimes I leave it in for 1 to 2 days. However, the important thing is that you let it completely dry first, and keep it dry until you're ready to wash it out. Otherwise, that aloe will smell. Aloe does not have a scent once it dries in your hair, but if it's wet, So if you're ready for that massive extreme hair growth, incorporate aloe vera mask into your routine. You'll see my photo here of how I styled my hair and my edges with the aloe vera, and I left it in for 1 day. So if you like what you saw, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos on how to care for your natural hair growth tips, and more. I love you all so much, and thank you all for watching. Bye.